Guys, I don't know what happened. I'm fully ready to admit I may have gone a little overboard with buying stuff for the Cricut. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. I upload weekly videos about sewing crafts and DIY projects. I am the new owner of a Cricut Maker, and I don't really know what happened, but I found myself on the Cricut website and I placed not one, but 2 orders of really random stuff. Probably didn't need all of it. We're going to go through a lot of what I bought, and I will also be unboxing the Cricut EasyPress 2 and the Cricut EasyPress Mini. I was curious about those things, so I picked both of those up. If you're a Cricut person, you can probably relate. That website is such a trap for deals and sales. It's really hard not to get out of there alive without buying anything. So I picked up like the ultimate accessories bundle. I thought that would be kind of a good starter pack. It came with like extra mats, came with a tool set, which I have behind me. It came with a bunch of different like sampler vinyls and transfer paper, window Klingons. When am I going to use a window Klingon? Who knows, but I have it. Magnet sheets, printable vinyl, printable iron-ons. I mean, I think I have enough Cricut stuff to last me until the apocalypse, which may be coming any day now, because I mean, it's 2020. I also got some everyday iron-on in gold, black, and white, so I can do some cool iron-on transfers, which I will be doing. I picked up the EasyPress Mini and the EasyPress 2. I had been seeing a lot of reviews on these products. They were kind of hit or miss. I asked you guys, should I get these or not? Some people said yes, some people said no, so I bought them anyways. I got both of them. I do feel like they have different purposes. The EasyPress 2, good for like t-shirts, larger items, but there are some items that are kind of small that I can see the EasyPress Mini being good for. In addition, being a quilter, I thought this would come in handy for doing like quilt piecing and doing like smaller things. It's very cute. It comes in like 3 different heat settings. Of course, this kit was on sale, so I had to get it. It is a glitter iron-on starter kit, you know, because I'm gonna start something, either that or I'm gonna become a hoarder, who knows, but we'll see what happens in the future. Oh yeah, and the set, also the ultimate starter set, I'm kind of going all over the place here, came with pens, which I thought were cool, and this glitter set, you know, I think these could be fun for Christmas. Guys, I sound crazy here. I don't know what's happening, but you know, here we are, and it's late at night, and I'm filming this, so I want to say this kit was on sale for like $10, but it comes with 4 different colors of glitter iron-on, and it had instructions and a little weeder tool, so I thought that looked kind of fun. I did pick up one non-Cricut branded item. This is a knockoff of vinyl that I got off of Amazon. Comes with a lot of different colors. It was pretty cheap. Comes in a bag, so we're going to be trying that out too. I did let the trial Cricut Design Space Access lapse. Here's my plan. When I need to make something else, I'm going to finally spring for the Cricut Premium Access, like the best plan. You pay annually. I think it's like $120, and then you get access to all the stuff. I get free shipping over $50. Yeah, that's going to be another trap there. And you get discounts on orders. Yeah, because I was in the trial of the Cricut Design Space Access, whatever it is, I got 10% off everything. So I felt like there were just a lot of sales on that website. So, you know, hey, it is what it is. Who doesn't need a corrugated cardboard set? Cricut also has a bunch of this cool designer double-sided paper, and a lot of them were in the clearance section too, so I threw them in the cart. A faux leather sampler set. If you're also a Cricuter out there, let me know below in the comments what kind of accessories and stuff do you feel you need if you are a beginner with the Cricut Maker, and is there anything you feel is kind of a waste of money or something you don't use? Or if one of the products sucks, let me know below in the comments too, and I'll try not to buy it if I haven't bought it already. So there's probably a slim chance I don't have it because I have a gazillion things for the Cricut. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way and open up the EasyPresses. Yes, because not 1, but 2 is better, right? All right, so we'll do the Mini first because, I don't know, it's on top. All right. Ooh, let's open this up. Here's a little base it comes in. Isn't this adorable? All right, this one's kind of cute. I'll admit it. Cuteness factor, 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh, this is kind of neat. How cool is this? I like the design and the aesthetics of the Cricut EasyPress Mini. Does it work? I don't know yet. We're about to find out. But it looks very cool. It's very portable. I like that. I can certainly see using this in sewing and quilting applications. This seems to be kind of like a non-stick. It feels like one of those cooking pans that has the non-stick coating. So hopefully it's easy to clean because I have to clean my iron all the time because I get gunk on it. Comes a little base to set this in. This looks promising. And the reviews on this were pretty good online. Let's get to the big one. And again on top, they have a little book that says, let's do this. I'm ready, Cricut, I'm ready. Take off the covering. All right, it comes with its own base. Sort of pull it out, ooh. All right, comes in its own carry bag. And don't worry, I will be doing more of a full out review on a lot of these products once I've owned them for a while and have used them, just because then I'll be in a better position to tell you what I think of them. It's heavier than I thought it would be. All right, and the doorbell just rang at like 8 p.m. What is up with that? It does come with its own bag. It is wrapped in plastic. This thing is heavy. This has got to be at least 5 pounds or so. And it has a base for you to set it in. I am pretty excited that I got a mint green color. I like this one quite a bit. This cord is serious business. It's bigger than my vacuum cleaner cord. Note this does say not recommended for outside North America. The bottom has that same non-sticky coating that the Mini does. This came with the Easy Press 2 and it looks a lot like the envelope that came with the Cricut Maker. So I have a feeling it's some sort of project. Register your product. Okay, we'll do that at some point. Ooh, as I suspected, it comes with an iron-on transfer for your first project, so let's take it over to the ironing board and give it a whirl. First off, I discovered Cricut as an online heat guide to foolproof your projects. The site is linked below in the description box. You just choose which heat device you're using, input the heat transfer material, then your base material. The guide then literally spits out the ideal temperature settings and how long you should apply it for. This is such a helpful tool. And I did pick up a Cricut brand Easy Press mat. The Easy Press 2 has an on-off button, adjustable temperature and timer, and the Cricut button counts down the time. Adhering heat transfer vinyl, aka HTV, is pretty simple. First, heat up the base material for at least 5 seconds. With the dull side down, shiny side up, place your transfer onto the material. Place the Easy Press on top with some pressure and start the countdown. Once that's done, flip the material over and press for an additional 15 seconds from the back side. Wait till everything cools down a bit, then slowly peel the clear transfer sheet away. The Easy Press 2 performed just as advertised. Then I tested out the Easy Press Mini with a small circle I cut. Note, this HTV is actually the off-brand stuff from Amazon and not official Cricut products. But I've been experimenting with other small DIY t-shirt projects and haven't run into any major issues. From what I can tell, there's also not a huge difference between Cricut and knockoff HTV, and I've even been laundering the items I make. So that's my massive Cricut unboxing and first impressions demo of the Cricut Easy Press 2 and the Cricut Easy Press Mini. Let me know what you guys think of these products down below in the comments, and also let me know what kind of projects or reviews you'd like to see about the Cricut Maker and accessories. I'm happy to do them. I also have a few other videos about the Cricut Maker, so check those out. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. I'll see you guys again in the next video.